Newcastle 3D Printing Company. Here are all the model products. We make red-backed spiders iPhone holders, dogs, cats, crocodiles, and cobras phone holders, castles, photo frames, Games of Thrones mugs, trees shapes phone holders, eagles, Spider-Man bust, Fireman Sam, Peppa Pig, knights, dragons, Scribble dragon eggs, owl's pen or pencil holders, Ronaldo soccer players, Thomas the Engine, Golden Eagle Tower, knight on horse, elephants, yachts, boats, tower planter, kangaroo toothpick holder, coffee cup shaped clock in 3 sizes works with batteries. Butterflies, treasure chest with keys, small soccer balls.
What is the end goal of all this? Like, to get rich? To make a living doing this? Or? What is the end goal of all this? Like, to get rich? To make a living?